What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here, about to work with some transformations of line segments here. Very basic on this one. We want to describe the transformations of each line segment as a translation, a reflection, or a rotation, right? We got three separate problems here. So let's start with this blue one here. I've got AB, and I got A prime, B prime. So that A prime, B prime, that's my transformation of the original segment. What in the heck's going on there? It looks like it's maybe, is it rotated? Not sure. Perhaps a better way of describing this one would be, if I put a vertical line there, I'm reflecting over that vertical line. Like if this was my y-axis, I'd be reflecting over or reflecting about the y-axis, or it could be a horizontal reflection. All those would apply here. I'm going to say reflection is the best one that we could say here. So let's say reflection. Beautiful. Now, if you really want to get bougie with it, right, I could say a horizontal reflection. Or I could even say reflect over y-axis. Or some prefer to say reflect about the y-axis. Either one I think is cool. But for this particular problem here, since it's just saying translation, reflection, or rotation, I think reflection is just fine. Next one here. We got AB, segment AB, and we got A prime, B prime. What next happening here? Looks like it's moving to the right and down. So that would be a translation for this one. So translation. We could even say right and down. We don't really know by how many units, so we can't say like right 5 and down 2, whatever. But if it were on a graph, then you can start putting some numbers to these things. But for now, I think translation would be just fine for this one. But if you want to add some directions, be fancy with it. Translation right and down. All right, last one here. Oh my goodness. The A's and the B's, they've switched where they are. What in the heck happened? Well, perhaps if I were to take this and I were to rotate it, 180 degrees, that, I believe, would do the trick here. So let's say rotation or rotate 180 degrees. Could be clockwise, could be counterclockwise. Probably a little more specific on that stuff later. Again, I think rotation would have been just fine for this one, but I'm a bougie kind of person, right? I want to throw in some degrees, right? So 180 degree rotation, that is, that's super dope, man. All right, that's it for this one. You guys have a fantastic day. Deuces.